Say hi from Cherish Math. Today I'm going to deal with a question related to statistics. Here it is. The height HCM of each of the 100 plants is recorded. The table shows information about the heights of these plants. Now, part A, complete the histogram to show this information. The first two blocks have been drawn for you. Now, when we look at it, on the y-axis, it shows frequency density, and on the x-axis is actually the height measuring in a centimeter. We look back again on the y-axis. Frequency density is defined as the frequency divided by the class width, which is 15, minus 10. So the first block is indeed, we got it as 1.6. While for the second block, it is actually 18 divided by the class frequency is 25 minus 15. And the answer here is 1.8. So we look at it, 1.6. Here is the reading of 1.6 for the height of the frequency density. While for the height of the frequency density on the second block is actually 1.8. And it matched our calculation here. We are using the same technique for the calculation of the rest 3 blocks, and without any delay, I have just pasted on it to save time. We're going to draw the third histograms block. The block here is ranging from 25 centimeter of the height up to 40. And this is our range for the x-axis, while the height is actually 1.87. And it is here now. And the process keep going for the fourth and the fifth block. And this is the answer. Question number 3, part B. Calculate an estimate of the mean height. Before we proceed for the mean height calculation, we have to find what is the midpoint for each of these classes. So for the first class, it is ranging from 10 to 15. We have to use 10 plus 15 divided by 2, and the answer that we are getting here is actually 12.5. So this is the midpoint for the first class. And for the midpoint of the subsequent classes, the answers, I would just have to paste it here, and it is all here. Here is a calculation for the mean height. We have to take the value of the midpoint multiplied by the respective value of the frequency in the class, and to take the sum of each of these classes divided by 100 as the sum of the frequency, which is 100 plants. And the value that we are getting here is in fact 38.65 as the value of the mean height for this question B. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.